This is the brand new HappyRun F18, a 60-volt e-bike with a top speed of 46 miles per hour. And this is another brand new HappyRun F18 that we're actually going to be giving away in this video. I'll be going over the details on how we're giving this bike away in just a moment, but first, let me talk about a few of the features that come on this e-bike. We have a 6,000 watt powered motor down here. Although this is a mini electric dirt bike, it still has a proper height to it. It has a 17-inch front wheel up here and a 14-inch rear wheel in here. So even though I am 6 foot tall, it doesn't make it where it's super low to the ground or super tiny. There is no standard key that you see on a normal e-bike. This one actually comes with an NFC detectable chip here that you can just hold right up to your monitor here. You can hit your power button and you would see that the monitor itself comes on, but you cannot ride this thing until you hold your key up to it. You just hold it up to here and boom. Oh, that's the one thing I am scared of. I feel like I'm gonna lose this thing so easy though. But then you just keep your key in your pocket. It does come with 2 keys. Hopefully we don't lose one of those. But this bike does feel pretty powerful. They also come equipped with reverse. So a lot of these cheap e-bikes now are really stepping up some of the features that these bikes come with, and the price range really hasn't gone up. This bike is still under $1,500. It does feel pretty powerful, so I'm very excited to go test this thing out. Let's see what it's got. We have a simple and clean display here, as well as some sleek buttons. We have full blinkers and taillights on this bike, so it's pretty equipped with everything you need to be cruising this thing around safely. We have reverse over here. We also have a nice bright headlight here on the front. And most importantly, the first thing I noticed was this very thin seat that comes on this bike. I'm not too stoked on that. This thing looks like it might be pretty uncomfortable after some riding on this because it is just so thin. We got the F18 in the bright red over here, as well as the carbon fiber, which is my favorite, so I'm going to choose to ride that one today while we get some homies over to test this bike out with me. We actually called up the winner of the last e-bike giveaway to help us test ride the new HappyRun. But today we need to give away another e-bike to someone else. So we got a few of the homies called up so we could take these e-bikes on a trip today. So let's go ahead and roll out and test these things in all the terrains that we can find. These e-bikes do have a unique look to them because it has a longer swing arm, so it kind of sticks out the back a little bit more. I'm not sure I'm completely sold on how they look, but they are performing pretty well. Finding random tunnels here in Las Vegas and taking these new HappyRun bikes all the way into the darkness. We go until we are completely out of batteries. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and get to some riding. HappyRun versus Stark Varg. Didn't even stand a chance. This has a long drag for the torque to kick in. Very smooth though. It is smooth on the power. The power feels pretty good, but the bike itself is very cheap.
The throttle feels so sensitive.
I know. It has some power to it though.
No, it definitely has good speed.
We got the tallest homie on the hay bike right now. I don't know if that was a good move actually, now that I look at it. Maybe this bike's better for tall people. We're going on a trip though. We're gonna see how far we can get on these. This will be a range test. We're trying to make it all the way to the desert on these right now. We're in the middle of the city. So I don't know if you can see it way up there. We got a long ways to go, boys. We literally started at 0 miles. These are fresh out of the box. This is the first test. Oh man. The suspension is really soft. Now I don't know if that's a good thing yet or a bad thing until we really test. It's funny because the suspension's so soft, you can feel the torque of this thing. It squats really hard when you hit the throttle. It's got good power though. This thing, it's hard for me to hate on these little cheap e-bikes when you get this much power out of such a decent price, you know what I mean? But with the discount of MOPBOYZ, you even save more money. You can get this thing for even cheaper. Dude, he's smashing. It does kind of have a funky looking stance to it though, I'm not gonna lie. The stretch looking swing arm looks a little goofy on it.
This thing definitely has more of a high speed setup. We're gonna have to off-road for a bit, so.
Wait.
Whoa! Oh! Oh, he's fully tucked on the hay bike. This thing's ripping up the hill. You think you want the smoke on the hay bike, bro? Gone. Later. 47 up the hill right now, it's saying. How fast?
I like the screen. It actually looks like a start point. Like,
yeah, the display's nice on this. It's a few miles per hour off for sure, like typical. But I think we'll still hit the 46 mile per hour top speed. We're going up a hill. 43 on the phone app. 44 on the phone app. This is a GPS tracking app, so it's pretty accurate. But we're going 44 up a hill right now. That's pretty good. We definitely are able to hit the top speed of 46 for sure, without a doubt.
You're at 2 bars.
2 bars?
Is it dying?
Well, his wasn't fully charged when we left.
You're gonna have me on a not charged bike?
I brought some tools. Nah, that ain't worth it. Oh!
That's not ideal.
All right, let's get it. Go for it, Jair. I'm following you.
more like an enduro because it's so far back. So I think it'll do great uphill.
All right, let's race then.
Let's go.
All right, line it up, son.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
No, he's slowing down to the left.
Oh man, it was struggling, but it made it. Look, the Stark 8. You might be stranded out here. You might be cooked, bro.
Hey, bike is not it.
We need to find a way to run a jumper cable or something from the Stark battery, supercharge it. Is it unlocked at all? It's gotta be locked, right? No way.
Oh.
Should we see where it goes?
And it's actually kind of cold in here.
I'm trying to find where it exit comes out at.
Oh, it is cold in here. My light is bouncing like crazy. Dude, it is so cold in here. I feel like it's shrinking on the roof. Like I'm just gonna get wedged. Okay, hold on. Where'd the other homie go? Oh, okay.
It is so cold.
Did he not come in? He didn't come in?
No, he went around.
Oh, he's not gonna be able to find us. This is gonna go all the way up to the top of the desert, I bet. Look behind you right now. You can't see a thing.
I don't want to do that.
Oh, we see some sunlight. Okay, we got sunlight. Oh, we're not making it out of here. There's no way we're making it up that. Oh my god. It seemed easy. No way. All right, this is the battery killer. Oh, that's easy. We got that. Hoo-yah. We're here. We're in Karenville.
Why?
This is where Karen got me on the Italica.
No way.
You guys can't ride those out here. You guys can't be out here.
Okay.
Video come.
Here they come.
Huh?
Here comes Karen.
No way.
I swear to you. How you doing today, man?
Oh, I'm alright. How you doing?
Good, man.
I'll be up in a second. Don't worry about it. Oh, okay. Yeah. I was just making sure you okay.
We went down to try to go in the tunnel, but it's not working.
I was just making sure you guys are alright.
I appreciate you, man. opposite of the Karen that was here last time. Top speed. Oh yeah, 46. We're going down a little bit of a hill now, so we're definitely gonna be passing. Oh no, I've limited at the top speed. It hits 46 miles per hour, but it's limited at that. It starts hitting like a limiter. It won't let you go over 46, but it does do the top speed that they claim. That is always good on the e-bike. Sometimes they are definitely underperforming from what they claim. The view is sick. So as you can see, we got the whole strip way down there. Made it a good distance. This bike still has battery. The hay bike, toasted. This thing's doing pretty good battery wise. We're like obviously 16 miles into it and we've been on top mode the whole time. It still feels powerful. It still is hitting top speed even though we're in low battery right now. I can't remember how many miles range it said. I'm gonna have to look once we stop. Definitely more than 16. Like any e-bike, when they claim the range, that is moderate riding, like keeping half throttle on like a 1 or 2 setting, not on like the sport modes or anything like that. We didn't get to off-road this thing yet, but don't worry, we will be off-roading this thing in this video. Before we give away, we'll be giving away that HappyRun or this one, whichever one the person wants to win in this video. So stay tuned. Oh no! You gotta stay tuned to the end to get yourself an e-bike, boys. If you want it, we're gonna be hiding the key somewhere, and if you find that key, all you have to do is DM MOPBOYZ on Instagram and then come claim your bike. You'll get to pick which color you want and everything. Is it dead?
It's on Ether. It's on 6 miles per hour.
I did try charging the hay bike. I unplugged it and saw the battery said full, but the box was not green on the charger, so that was my bad. We have the Starkiana pushing the hay bike now. Hay bike done! Get some McDonald's, boy. Keep going. Your seat bar? Alright. I'm gonna hop on the sidewalk. All right, go. Okay. All right, hold on, slow it down. Whoa! Whoa! We have came to the part of the video where we are going to be giving away one of these HappyRuns you see right here. Right now we're inside of a tunnel, so you can't recognize any of the background yet because we're going to be showing you hints in just a moment on where we're going to be hiding this key. This is a $1,300 e-bike that we're going to be giving away completely for free to one of you. All you have to do is find this key that's going to be hidden behind a MOPBOYZ sticker somewhere in this general location. We will include a note that says you want a free e-bike. DM MOPBOYZ on Instagram to claim your e-bike. Once you DM me a photo of you finding this key, I'll let you come pick up one of these e-bikes and you'll be able to choose which color you prefer. Now it is time to show you guys some of the hints on where we're going to be hiding this key. Under the sticker, we have the little note in there. So if you find this, DM me on Instagram and come claim your bike. very budget-friendly e-bike that has a lot of power. As I mentioned with the seat, that is probably the biggest flaw on this bike. It is just very thin, but other than that, this thing comes with a lot of cool features. But if you are a bigger guy looking for a mini bike, I would suggest you kind of make sure you look at your options on a better seat arrangement, a decent amount of power. But for me being a full-size rider on this thing, I think the suspension is a little too soft. I can hit the kickstand by just riding the bike and kind of pushing down on my weight. Sorry for the wind noise in these last few clips. I forgot my microphone at home, so we're shooting on raw iPhone right now. That is gonna do it for the HappyRun review. A very sweet bike though for the price, and one of them can be yours for free. All you gotta do is find that key. That's gonna do it for this one, boys. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.